You need thermal paste, and this is why. This CPU and this heatsink right here, they might look very flat. You go like that right there, it's not gonna work too great, because if you look at it underneath the microscope, there's a bunch of peaks, bunch of valleys, a bunch of air gets in there. Air is an excellent insulator, and you'll be losing heaps of performance. No one wants that. What you are not looking to do is create a layer of thermal paste between your CPU and cooler, only looking in to fill in those gaps. Put this on right here. These screws will be pushing the CPU and the heatsink together with 40 to 60 PSI of pressure. That's gonna hopefully squish out all of our thermal paste and give us a really nice solid thermal connection. There we go, excellent. In my experience, thermal paste gets you around 30 degrees cooler temperatures. You definitely want it.